Why email marketing is very important for small business? First, we need to understand that who is a small business owner. Small business owner who's just single-handedly handling the business right now. And if you are a small business owner, you cannot give your ad in newspaper and mass media. So what you need to understand is that you need to be in front of your target audience. How can you do that? You can start your YouTube channel, you can go to Facebook, create a page, create a group, whatever you want. You can share your thoughts on your WhatsApp story. You can use Instagram, in LinkedIn, Twitter, every single thing is there. But email marketing, why email marketing is very important, why so many people are telling you right now email marketing can change your life if you do that in the right way. I think when it comes to social media, if they change a policy in that time, you don't have the ownership of your followers. So let's take an example. If you have 10,000 people who follow you on Instagram, and if Instagram change one single policy in that time, you don't have any ownership of that. You cannot go to Instagram and tell them why you did that. I want all the all the data of my followers. They don't want to give that particular data to you. But if you have the same 10,000 people in email marketing, you have all the data of them. So that's why when you have an email marketing, you are owning your followers. That's why you need to focus on email marketing. Obviously, I'm not telling you to not to create the content on social media. I'm himself doing that, right? So I cannot tell you to not create content in social media. You have to do that. But what you need to understand is that email marketing, if you do that in the right way, you have to create an ad on Facebook, on Instagram, try to sell the same product which you wanted to sell, try to target the same audience. So let's take an example. If you are selling this particular tripod which YouTubers are going to use, so you need to find out who is a YouTuber in Facebook, and you need to target all those people who have the interest of recording video. So if you are able to show the ad of yours to them, they have more and more chances to click in your ad. Once they click in your ad, now they are going to buy this particular tripod which is cost you only $5. But if they are able to do that, you are taking their emails from them, and once you get the emails from them, you have so many things to sell to them. Maybe you want to sell them the camera, maybe you want to sell them the mic, maybe you want to sell them the expensive tripod, expensive mic, expensive camera, the green screen, so many things which you wanted to do to them, right? You can able to do that. But everything will start from that first Facebook ad or maybe Instagram ad, where you can take the email from the people. But so many marketers are able to take the email, but they don't know how to do email marketing in the right way. That is the only reason when they send promotional emails to their email subscriber, they start doing unsubscribe to their email, and that's a very great problem which every marketer right now have. So you need to learn how to provide the content to the people. If you are able to do that by reading books, by watching the right kind of a video, then now you just think about your subscriber all the time. You are providing the content to them, and once you are able to provide the content to them, now they trust you. Now I'm not saying that they're gonna buy from you in the first day, but definitely if they trust you, they will go and they will see what exactly this man is doing right now, and if they need that particular product and services, they are going to buy from you rather buying from someone to whom they don't know even. Okay, so that's why email marketing will help you in your small business. If you have any question, make sure to comment down below, and you can share this particular video to your friends also. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks a lot.